$15 million per aircraft. The V-22 Osprey is a joint-service multi-role combat aircraft utilizing tilt-rotor technology to combine the vertical performance of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft. It was introduced in the year 2007. It is the first tilt-rotor in the world. Currently, it is operated by United States and Japan. Number 9. Chengdu J-20. Estimated cost around $120 million per aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 is a Chinese stealth air superiority multi-role fighter. The aircraft entered service in March 2017. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft, after the American F-22 and F-35. It is currently operated by the Chinese Air Force. Number 8. Eurofighter Typhoons. Estimated cost of the most basic configuration of Eurofighter Typhoons is around $125 million. The Eurofighter Typhoons is a European multi-role air superiority fighter, which entered in service in the year 2003. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multinational collaboration program among the UK, Germany, Spain, and Italy. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly agile aircraft, designed to be a supremely effective dogfighter in combat. Number 7. Dassault Rafale. Estimated cost of the most basic configuration of Dassault Rafale is around $130 million. The Dassault Rafale is a French 4.5 generation advanced battle-tested multi-role fighter, intended to perform air supremacy, aerial reconnaissance, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. It entered service in the year 2001. Currently, it is operated by French, India, Qatar, and Egypt, among others. Number 6. F-35B. Estimated cost around $135 million per aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II is an advanced American fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet, intended to perform both air superiority and strike missions. The aircraft has three main variants: the conventional takeoff and landing F-35A, the short takeoff and vertical landing F-35B, and the carrier-based F-35C. Among the three variants, the F-35A, which is being exported to many countries, has the lowest price. It is currently operated by many U.S. allies including Japan, South Korea, UK, Australia, among others. Number 5. E-2D Advanced Hawkeye. Estimated cost around $220 million. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye is an American all-weather, carrier-capable tactical airborne early warning or AEW aircraft, designed and developed for the United States Navy. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye is the latest fourth version of the original E-2 Hawkeye, which was developed in the late 1950s. The E-2D's first flight occurred on August 2007. The APY-9 radar of the E-2D has the potential of detecting Russian stealth Sukhoi Su-57 and the Chinese stealth Chengdu J-20 and Shenyang J-31. Number 4. Boeing P-8 Poseidon. Estimated cost around $280 million per aircraft. The Boeing P-8 Poseidon is an advanced American maritime patrol aircraft and can operate in anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and shipping interdiction roles. The P-8 Poseidon is armed with torpedoes, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and other weapons. It can drop and monitor sono buoys. The P-8 Poseidon is currently operated by United States, India, Australia, and UK. Number 3. C-17 Globemaster III. Estimated cost around $330 million per aircraft. The C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft used to carry equipment, personnel, and vehicles that was developed for the United States Air Force. Maximum payload of the C-17 is 77,500 kilograms. The C-17 commonly performs tactical and strategic airlift missions, transporting troops and cargo throughout the world. It is currently operated by United States, India, United Kingdom, and Canada, among others. Number 2. F-22 Raptor. Estimated cost around $350 million per aircraft. The F-22 Raptor is an American single-seat, first stealth multi-role fighter in the world. The aircraft was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. The F-22 cannot be exported under U.S. federal law to protect its stealth technology and classified features. Currently, there are 187 operational F-22 Raptor with the U.S. Air Force. Number 1. B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber. Estimated cost around $2.1 billion per aircraft. The B-2 Spirit Bomber is an American heavy stealth bomber featuring low observable stealth technology, designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses. The world's only stealth bomber currently in service, the B-2 Spirit has a range of around 11,000 kilometers on internal fuel, and with over 19,000 kilometers with one mid-air refueling, and can reach every corner of the globe. Currently, there are 20 B-2 Spirit under service with the United States Air Force. B-2's original unit cost was $737 million, making it the most expensive aircraft ever built. However, due to retrofitting and adjustments in 1997, its overall cost now stands at $2.1 billion. Thanks for watching.